Alright, so let's do a room tour. This is a 1-bedroom suite with Haram view. So this is the first part when you walk in, and then we'll go in there in just a second. So very spacious, a 1-bedroom. So you do have a sofa. That sofa does not open up. So if you have a little kid, they can sleep on it, but a big kid or adult cannot. So you can get a rollover bed right next to it right here. And of course, you have a Haram view from the room. So amazing view of the Haram, the taxi drivers, and we're on the 15th floor. Of course, you get the view of the clock tower too. A nice TV. All right, let's show you the rest. There's only 1 bathroom, so there's not 1.5 or 2, so it's only 1 bathroom. So if you have kids, kind of sucks. 1 sink. And then a shower. Shower handle and a tower. And of course, bathroom to do your business. So not a private bathroom. And one thing that I was shocked by is the master closet. It's actually very spacious. I feel like it's wasted space. It's so big. So a lot of wasted space here in my opinion. They could have put a half a bath here. And the bedroom was wow. It's very, very spacious. It comes with a king bed. We got a baby crib you can see here. Another TV, working station, and of course the view looking at the Masjid Haram. Amazing view of the masjid, mashallah. So that's the room numbers, whatever floor you're in, it's 01. Next door, 02, is the 4 single bed room. And we have a video on that you can check out as well. I'll put a link here that you can click on as well when we stay here for the first time. And then we're trying to get Cito a baby crib. We'll literally call 4 times in 1 hour. Finally arrives. And also on our last day, you could see we'll put up pictures where we asked for extra blanket. And then the housekeeping literally drops a blanket without sheets on the floor by the door and leaves. Like, that's how ridiculous this housekeeping team is. Room service, same thing. We order food and then it's missing food, and then we call back and then food never arrives. So it's like one thing after another, just ridiculous amount of times you have to call.
We've consistently had Wi-Fi issues in the last multiple stays here at this hotel. So this time we had some issues with other things. They've literally given us this extra modem so we can have Wi-Fi in our room. So there's literally no Wi-Fi for us except this modem here. That's the only Wi-Fi.
Here at 1 o'clock, as you can see, there is no food. Literally not a snack, not a chips, not a peanut, nothing. All you have is drinks, and that's cold drinks down there and hot drinks. That's all you have. This was not the case in the past we've stayed here. You've always had some kind of snacks, chips, something while you're here before dinner hours. So they've really gotten really cheap with this stuff. And I can confidently tell you this is not the case in most Hilton hotels around the world, where even during lunch, they at least have some kind of snack for you. Even the Conrad down the street has some kind of snack for you during lunch hours or lunchtime. So apparently only water is available. Other drinks like Fanta and Sprite is not available. It's locked, which is just crazy. I have never had this kind of experience. Wow. Never had this kind of experience at a lounge where just given water. That is just insane.